Solitude. No, the darkness isn't where we hide. The darkness isn't what we always avoid. We go there to dream. We go there to contemplate and to convey our spirits sometimes into dreamlands, on beautiful fantasy voyages. And even sometimes we seek the darkness so that we can see. What more pleasant than to have the sound of gentle raindrops tapping, tapping, to carry us even deeper into our little world, away from everyone and reality. Rain's Serenade. Am I to seek the darkness of disdain, drawn by some passion for solitude? By the gentle sound of falling rain, where I find my emotions imbued? Am I to find myself forlorn, in the shadow of some cloud, darkness plying, torment, scorn with the quiet being too loud? Am I to feel guilt here alone, in my desire some selfish greed, some love I have never known, a furtive dream of my need? Am I to imagine as each droplet falls, it says to me in a very special way, listen, listen, as my spirit calls, and catch the verses it has to say.